I made the mold, I've got the silicone, and I'm gonna make a squishy elephant. But how squishy is he going to be? Let's find out. Yay! I'm very excited about this video. Oh my god! As you might know, on my previous 2 videos, I wanted to create an elephant parade. So I went through the process of buying a mold. The mold had a hole at the back, and then I built the back, and then I made a mold, and then I made my elephants. So you can check my 2 videos where I make the mold and then when I create my elephants. But now I've got a new obsession. And it's about squidgy silicone, or to make squidgies. And I bought a kit from Sophie and Toffee, but it's like, I ordered it in June. It's now the 23rd of August and it still hasn't arrived. It was meant to arrive in August and I'm getting more and more frustrated. It better be good when it turn up. It better be good. And my patience level is like, oh, no, gone. I want it and I want it now. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I've got to wait. But as I'm waiting for that, which is meant to be like a kit to make squidgy toys things, I start thinking, I really want to make squidgy stuff. And so I started looking into it. And I said I went down the rabbit hole of silicone. Well, I went even deeper. I just dived in, like head in. It's like, pew. And now my feet are gone. I'm really down the rabbit hole. And I'm sliding down. So anyway, once I made the mold with the elephant mold, I wanted to make a squidgy elephant. So here I am. Finally, I ordered the silicone, and just to let you know, everything that I use in all of my videos have been purchased by me. I'm not sponsored by anybody whatsoever. I do get the occasional affiliate link with Amazon, but that's about it. So I bought this silicone and I came across a company called DWR Plastics. I'm going to put the link in the description. I think they're only a UK-based company, but I believe that in the US you can probably find even more kinds of silicone, because I've just come across all kinds of different things. This silicone it was actually quite difficult to try to find a squidgy silicone unless you bought it from either AliExpress or Temu. AliExpress, they tried to charge me £19 shipping. So I was like, no, thanks. But no. And Temu, I've got a bit of a love and hate relationship with it. Yes, the products are great and you like, oh my God, yeah, I want to buy everything. But on the other hand, Jesus, the amount of harassment that you get, that's the parts that I don't like. But so far, all the bits that I've ordered from Temu have been actually okay. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just literally the harassment and bombardment with emails. And it's like offers that they're not really what they look like. But anyway, we're not here to talk about them. But I have placed an order, so I have got some more squidgy silicone to come, because I want to try different things and see how things come out and how squidgy they are. So I want to do a comparison. But for the time being, I've got what I called, and I think it is, a like medical grade silicone, and which is measured a little bit different to the other silicones. Is not measured by Shaw. It's got a different number. Like Shaw, it went from A0 to A100, but this one has a 0030, and then you've got 0050, and you've got different ones. This apparently is meant to be the equivalent of using Shaw A10 or maybe lower. But yeah, it's meant to be really squidgy. And when I was reading the front bit, it just made me laugh. Because like all the stuff that inhibit the curing of this silicone, with all these things that inhibit the curing, one of them is epoxy resin, fair enough, and also plasticine, but there's also garlic and onion. That made me laugh. That made me laugh. But this kind of silicone is used for prostate prosthetic to make prosthetic arms, or like, you know, the fake dolls and that kind of things. And apparently it has got the squidginess of your earlobe. So we'll see the elephant as it's like compact, how squidgy it's going to get. I am very excited about this. And also because when you use really squidgy silicone, the surface is very sticky. So they say to roll it in either talc powder or cornstarch, which is gonna help, will make it not still, like smooth it out and just stop the stickiness. But also this kind of silicone will stick to silicone, so you need to use a mold release agent. So I bought this together with the silicone, but I think I got conned. It suspiciously smells like WD-40. So I should have stuck with that. If only I knew. If only I knew. So I've got my mold release thingy spray. They call it wax, liquid wax, to release the elephant from the mold. I've got my silicone, and I bought from Shein all these colors. I'm not sure what I'm going to be using, but I just want to try to make it like at least few colors. See what happens. I don't know. Let's see how I get on. But oh my God, let's crack on with it, and I can let's make the elephant. And this silicone takes about 3 hours to cure. And obviously, because I'm going to be very impatient, I will try my best to wait the time. Will I do it? Well, I don't know. But let's see. But I'm going to shut up and I'm going to stop faffing about and I'm going to crack on and make the elephant. But because I'm really worried how this is going to turn up, because it might be a complete disaster. So that's why I've decided to use the brick. I'm not going to use my latest mold, because there's nothing wrong with this apart from being massive. Yeah, so I'm going to use this and see how it turns out. I'll see you in a little while. is adorable. He is adorable. After I drowned it in cornstarch, I cleaned it up and just sort of rubbed it off, and he was like, there was like bits sort of peeling, and he just got all clumpy. Not the elephant, but like the cornstarch, and then I managed to scrape it all off and all of that. It's actually really cute, and I have to say, I finished it off and demolded it. I did demold it after 3 and a bit hours. I did manage to wait. I was so witchy. I was like, oh, I want to get it. And I kept poking the top. I was like, is he ready? Is he ready? Is he ready? Is he ready? But I did wait. So that's okay. But I think I should have waited longer. And there is a bubble on the usual place. Let me show you. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there is a bubble under the trunk. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, there is a bubble under the chin. And also, I've noticed that even when I made the other elephants with the jasmonite, it's a little bit rough under this bit. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is a little bit rough all around there. And there's a little bit sort of like skin kind of coming off. Not coming off, but it's not as smooth as this little backside. This is so smooth. It's very, very smooth. But apart from that, I absolutely love it, and I love the colours. Maybe what I should do next time, I should just wait it for that to cure a little bit, and then do the next layer to trying to have more even colours, because obviously when I poured the white and the pink, it just all blended in together. But look at this. Skadoosh, skadoosh. How cute. How squidgy is this? Pew, pew, pew. Oh my God. Oh, I am really happy. So, so happy. Look at this. Squidge. Squidge, squidge. What do you think? What do you reckon? Oh my God, this is so cute. As I said, I'm getting obsessed with this squidgy silicone, and I want to learn more and more and more about it. So I have ordered some other different ones, and also what I'm planning to do on the next few videos, whenever the other silicone gonna turn up, I'm gonna do a comparison of all the costs, because I'm not sure if this is the best way to make a squidgy, because obviously being a medical grade silicone, it might be a little bit expensive. I don't think this was too bad, because it's like 250 grams, and this was about £14.25. Then there was a little bit of shipping, I believe. I can't remember. And obviously I bought this as well together. But it's really cool silicone. I really love it. And it's got a really nice feel about it. I like it. I really like it. And I still got some left over, so I'll have to find other molds that I can try and do things. It's like, oh, very excited. Very, very excited. And I'm like a kid in a toy shop. And I cannot wait to play with the other kind of silicones and make new things. But what do you think of this squidginess? Is that squidgy enough for you? Pew, pew, pew. Let's not forget that it's actually solid. But, I think there is squidgier than this. But not bad. This is 0030. But I have to say, I found Sure 80. Can you imagine how squishy that is going to be? I want to try it. I need to try it. So get ready for more squidgy fun. moving forward. And I really hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, why not give me the thumbs up? It really helps my channel to grow. And also, if you really enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and hit the bell? Because as I said, I'm waiting for more silicone to come, and I'm going to do a comparison, but I'm not just going to compare the types of silicones that I bought. I am going to compare how much they cost as well. So I'm trying to work out what is the cheapest and best option that you have. But with this one, we know it's a good quality, and also, oh, I forgot, a very important thing, is non-toxic and it's safe to use on the skin, because obviously they do prosthetic with it, so it has to be. But I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. Take care for now. Bye bye.